Hey, let me show you how you can turn on or off the hard fall detection on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So first of all, we have to swipe down to open the settings. Now from this, we have to scroll down again and we have to move into the safety and the emergency. Then go to the hard fall detection and click on the switcher. And now we have to add the phone number that will actually send the SOS messages that something is actually happening. So let's go back to this one. There we go. Let's turn it on. One more time, click add on phone. And now we can actually move into our smartphone and we can select something from contacts, or we can actually create the contact. So we can input the name and the phone number. So now click save. And as you can see, the messages will be sent into this contact. But let's try if we can actually add another one. Okay, maybe let's change the name a little bit. Yeah, we can even add the two different contacts. So yeah, now we can enable this hard fall detection. And now we've got this information when to detect falls: only during workouts, during physical activity, or always. So now we have to click OK and then just go back from this one. And that's how we can actually set it up. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.